Hello, I'm Jamie Toonstra, one of the service techs at Modine Manufacturing. In this segment we're going to go over some of the common troubleshooting problems that we see. One of them is a blown transformer. It seems to be a call we get from time to time, and we're going to explain what happens and what to look for. The first thing you have to do is, if you come to the unit and it's not functioning, it's dead and you have your thermostat calling for heat, you want to check your incoming power to make sure you have the proper voltage to the unit. If you do, the next step would be, let's check the transformer. So how to do that is, the transformer on this unit is located in this corner up here, and it has 4 wires running to it. It's got a low voltage side, which is 24 volts, and it's got a line voltage side, which is 120 volts. You're going to want to make sure, first of all, that your power is onto the unit. And to the one side of the transformer, you're reading 120 volts. If you're reading those readings correctly, you're going to want to check your secondary side, the low voltage side. On the low voltage side, you should read 24 volts. If you put your leads on that transformer and you're reading 0, okay, that secondary side has failed. Some of the most common problems we see from a secondary side of the transformer failing are a short in the line in the low voltage wiring, or the wires that are run from the thermostat to the unit are exceeding what they should be. A lot of times people will run the thermostats 100 feet away, or I should say 50 feet away, and that's too long for the size wire they put in there. And what it'll do is it'll increase the amp draw and it'll pop that secondary. So the first thing you want to do, look at your wires from your thermostat to the unit. Think it's excessive, we probably need to change to a different gauge wire. If that's proper, you probably have a short in one of those wires. At that point, what I would do is I would remove your thermostat wires from the unit, so you disconnect it from the control board, replace the transformer. At that point, I would make sure your power is shut off, and I would jumper out where your thermostat leads were. They should have gone to the terminals R and W on the control board. You place a temporary jumper in there, turn the unit on, and see if it functions properly. If it functions properly, and we're not blowing any more transformers, we've got a problem with the thermostat wire. It's more than likely a short if the lead length is right. At that point, you want to fix your wiring, and you'll be ready to go.